Morning everyone, it's Saturday and we had a very early morning, my husband and I. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm filming. Excuse the morning looks, I promise this is not the real me. We're getting ready now to go out and about. We decided that we weren't going to go to the inspections because we're not planning to move out until the next maybe 5-6 weeks, and all of the houses that we were going to today, we were meant to go to today, they're wanting to get people in by the end of this month and mid next month, which we're hoping to get maybe sometime next year to start fresh. So we might be going to the zoo, and we're going to the mall to get my husband's haircut, and there's not much else. Maybe have breakfast, but we'll let you know. Good morning, Baba. Good morning, Baba. Why is your bib at the back? Why is your bib at the back? Did you finish having breakfast? There's been a slight change of plans. We probably might go to Sydney instead to visit my sick aunt. And so we're just going to the mall first to do some last minute shopping and get my husband's haircut. So yeah, we'll let you know, guys. She's so fine, she's so fine, she's so fine. On your way, can you come over here? I love hear what you're thinking when I throw up in here. I'm feeling the Christmas spirit in this place. Look at those cute little puppy dogs. While Siaosi's getting his haircut, I came downstairs to look for some girl things, if you haven't already guessed. And we're meant to be in a little bit of a rush because of our plans to go to Sydney. It's the cutest. I want to get this for Eben. It's so cute. My husband just finished his haircut. I don't know if I like it. I like it the first time. I don't know. So we came to buy some flowers for our neighbor. They're so beautiful. Unfortunately, his wife passed away from cancer. So there's been a lot of cars in our street for the past week, going through their traditional cultural stuffs, a lot of cultural wear. Hi Marietta, that's my niece. She's a working girl now. She's in the Hit the High Note challenge video. I've just put up my hair today because it's just so hot at the moment. But I think we finally decided that we're not going to go to the zoo. We're actually going to go to Sydney. So I've got my lemon water, it's cold, and some blueberries that I'm just going to snack on. Oh, these are so delicious. 2 for $5 at Coles and Woolies. My parents have been really healthy in drinking turmeric drinks. No, the kibolo's there. And as a result, her hands... She's a Simpson! She's turning into a Simpson. Her hands have turned almost completely yellow. Wait, Mom, show. Oh my goodness. So I just Googled a remedy. And apparently baking soda and lemon juice. I think some have come off, but my mom doesn't think so. She thinks it still looks the same. Keep wiping them. See, it's coming off. Just look at the paper towel. It's all orange or yellow. It's gone a little bit better, to be honest. So you just need to do it again after. Not sure if you can hear anything, but I don't know. They're singing songs and I can see my sister. There she is. We going to Sydney. The sky is so nice and blue. Just had a little bit of a pit stop. We're stuck here. We've been here for about 5 minutes because there's a big accident ahead. I don't think we can get it, but the ambulance are there. We've been here stationary for about 5 minutes. You can see it through here.
Oh my goodness.
So Siaosi and my dad went over a little bit closer with the camera to check, and it looks like someone has actually died. Someone's lying on the ground. There are about 5 ambulance cars there from what I can see, and I saw go past. About 3 cop cars, 2 firefighter trucks. It's pretty serious. I just thought it was a small accident. We're finally here in Sydney. I drove most of the way because my dad got a little bit tired, but I wasn't quite sure what happened with the accident because it all happened so quickly, but my husband got some footage from it because he went pretty close to it. But when we drove past, the cops just kept telling everyone to go quickly, so we couldn't really see what happened. But apparently my husband said he saw someone lying on the ground, so I hope no one has died from it. But we're here at my uncle's house, and it's just him in this big house all by himself with cats and dogs. But we're going to Lumia soon to buy some Siaosi, which is like a Samoan dessert, kind of, you could say, from the fob shop there. It's got all kinds of Samoan dishes and cuisines and products. The South Pacific Food Dist, Pty Ltd. This is like the fob shop. Bang guys! Mom, for you Siaosi lang ako. We called earlier to put aside some Siaosi.
Sold out, only one left. You didn't hear?
No, I called.
But
I'll come from camper.
But nobody ring me.
That's not live. That's a live from camper.
Hi. Ang kike po. So if I pull am ay dai. Cậu nga bay.
It's the same. That would be a super here.
Con cá gì ạ? Con ngồi phía quay đi lấy xe đây ngủ.
Đây là công một phía là đi. Dengan dia 25 kilo.
Ah, 4 yan.
Ada 20 kilo ngai.
Esse full longo.
20 mo ko.
No. C'est full longo, yo. Les loups, c'est full. Elle est... Quoi? Oh, oil. Some ice cream. This is Siaosi's first time actually being in Sydney to sightsee. Hey everyone, so it's about the end of the night and I'm supposed to be promoting healthy eating, healthy living, but I'm actually in KFC at the moment. It's been such a long day. Just got back from visiting my aunt, my dad's first cousin, in hospital, and she's pretty strong, she's doing well, but earlier today we only had 71 subbies and it jumped significantly. Even in just a few hours we're about 4 away from 100, and I did say that I would go out for dinner once I got 100, but I thought it was going to be like the next week or something, not knowing that it's probably going to happen by tonight, if not tonight, tomorrow. And I just can't believe it, 100 subscribers over like the period of like maybe even 6 days. It's so exciting. I can't believe it. So thank you everyone for following us, for commenting, for liking. Yeah. Thank you. We're probably going to call it a night. We're sleeping at my uncle's. So we'll see you tomorrow. If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it, subscribe.
If you like, subscribe.